his belly.
Ladies and gentlemen, Nicole with her own version of Sounds of Silence. Give it up! Like I was there. It was surreal.
Tried to pick a song that was fun and a crowd pleaser, and one that would fall in line with the limited amount of notes that you can play on a conch shell.
I would give the advice of start slowly, learn that bass note that the conch shell has within it, and just play it nice and clear as they can.